Hi, this question says that the gravitational force between two identical lead spheres kept at 1 meter apart is 0.006673 Newton. Find their masses, right? So there are two identical spheres, each of having the equal mass. So identical means having the same mass, right? So we will consider the mass of each sphere. The mass of each sphere is equal to m, as because of they are identical, right? It means m1 equal to m2 equal to m, right? So now you can see that there are two spheres like these, equal masses, right? And they are separated by a distance of 1 meter. Suppose this sphere, the first one is placed at point A, the second one is placed at point B, right? So 1 meter is the separation between them and both are having mass m. So now the force of attraction or the gravitational force between these two identical sphere is given 0 point. So we will write the gravitational force is equal to 0.006673 Newton. That is the force of attraction between them. Always remember, the gravitational force is always attractive in nature. Okay, always attractive in nature. So we know from the law of gravitation that the gravitational force is equal to capital G m1 m2 by r square, where capital G is the universal gravitational constant, m1 m2 are the two masses, right, and the product of the masses of the two bodies, right? And what about r? R is the separation between these two bodies. Okay, so here r will be equal to 1 meter and m1 m2 will be equal to m. So here m1 is equal to m2 is equal to m because of their same masses, right? And capital G is the universal gravitational constant, where capital G is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Okay, so now we have to substitute all the values and then we can find out the value of the mass, right? So Fg is given 0.006673, this one. Capital G is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11, then m1 into m2, so it will be m square, okay, and r square will be 1 meter, so 1 square. So now we can find out m square, so m square will be 0.006673 into 10 to the power minus 11 divided by 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Okay, it will be in the denominator. So in the numerator it is only 0.06673 and it will be divided by 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Now we have to square root the value, then only we can get the m. It will be 0.00. So it's coming 10.0022 into 10 cube kg. Okay, so this is the mass of each sphere. So the question is find their masses. So we have to say that the each sphere is of mass 10.0022 into 10 cube. Okay, or we can also write it in standard form, that is 1.00022 into 10 to the power 4 kg. So this will be the answer of this question. Okay, so the concept that we have to apply here, that is the law of gravitation. Okay, so I hope you understand the solution. Thank you. All the best.